Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mounting the holographic sight firmly, tighten to the manufacturer's spec, typically 15 to 20 inch-pounds, so it won't shift. Once mounted, make sure your cheek weld and sight height are consistent. About 1/2 to 1 inch above the bore is common. Use a 25-yard bore sight or a laser to place the reticle on paper quickly. This gives you a practical baseline, so follow-up adjustments are small and predictable. Do these steps now to avoid re-zeroing later. You now move to live fire. Fire a 3-shot group at 25 to 50 yards to gauge both elevation and windage error. Once you see where shots land, dial the sight using the manufacturer's clicks. Count each click and note the clicks per MOA or clicks per 1/4. After making an adjustment, shoot another group to confirm movement and repeat until group center on the aim point. Make sure to control breathing and trigger pull so the pattern reflects the sight, not shooter inconsistent. You finish by verifying 0 at your intended distance. Tighten the mount to final torque, then recheck point of impact after a short break because torque can shift POI. If you notice drift, inspect the mount, optic seating, and the battery voltage. Holographic sights can change brightness or reticle position under low voltage. Keep a simple log with distance, ammo type, environmental notes, and click counts. That record saves time later and explains why a previous 0 worked when conditions repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.